us to pity them? No. Say my Father, my God. My Father, my God. Wicked man. Wicked woman. Tormenting my life. Tormenting my life. Power of God. Strike them with strokes. Strike them with strokes. Strike them with strokes. There are some people that their glory is not working. Hey, he's not working. I prophesy to your glory. Somebody use your hand and hold your head. Say my glory, my glory. From henceforth. Arise. And locate me. Somebody are you here? Yes. Somebody are you here? Yes. Somebody are you here? Yes, ma'am. Hey, there is somebody here. Sister, anyone that want to collect food from your husband, anyone that want to collect food from your mouth, because now we women are we the hungry pass. As women are we not so. So if there is no food, there is trouble. I prophesy to you.